Hollyland Lark M1 wireless microphone set. 2 microphones, comes with a case. I am hard on microphones, and right now I've got a Synco on, wireless, going to the camera. I have had some other ones. I've gone through Boya, I've gone through a few other ones here, but one of the things I needed was the ability to have 2 microphones at once in case I have another person with me, which happens on occasion, and this has that. And it comes pretty much highly rated without going to the really expensive ones. I don't want to get on the real expensive end, like with the Rode Go and that, because I'm hard on them. So I need something that's more or less disposable. We're going to open this up, see what's in here. Well, my first challenge was getting the plastic wrapping off. We got that accomplished finally. Okay, and then we got all the corners taped, which didn't make any difference. I'll tear the box up anyway, we don't care. So it comes in this spiffy little case here. Even has brand name on it. And within this is the charging and battery pack. I've done some reading on this already. So the microphones are on the inside there, along with the receiver. So you got microphone, receiver. And you have a couple of dead cats. And if you don't know what a dead cat is, that's a cover for the microphone to prevent wind noise. And we have, of course, the charging cable to charge the battery pack, and I'll have to get that hooked up here directly. Then we have a couple different cables here, depending on what you are taking it to. I'll be using this one because I'm going to my camera. And we have a little quick guide and instructions and that kind of stuff. Warranty, and we are here for you. It says so right there. Get this thing charged up. The USB charging port is on the bottom, which I find a little odd. I would have thought they would have put that on the side or something. This on its side while I charge it. And this standard USB here, that's a USB-C on that end. There's 4 indicating lights here showing the level of charge, and right now it's on between 3 and 4, so it's probably close to being fully charged, which is kind of nice. I'll let her charge up here a little bit, and we'll check these out. Okay, we are fully charged. Got a little bit here. So I'll take out the receiver here first, and it tells in the little plastic thing to take off. It tells you in the directions there that it will automatically turn on and the blue lights will come on. So take out one of the microphones here, a little bit of blue plastic cover. So I've taken this out of the package here, and I should say out of the case. It's fully charged. And when you take it out, it automatically turns on and the blue lights come on. That means you're ready to go and it is paired. I haven't taken the other one out here yet. Little plastic protection cover on there. And they all fit into this case real nice like this. So now what I need to do is get this connected to the camera. And also incidentally, on the bottom of the transmitter is a USB port. USB-C port if you need to charge it without the case, and on the receiver there's a port there for that as well, and a place to increase and decrease your volume. It's supposed to be set to midpoint from the factory. Right here is a button. If you hold it for 3 seconds you can turn it off. Hold it for 3 seconds, turn it on. Otherwise it comes on automatically when you take it out of the case and shut it off when you put it back in the case. It's hooked up to the camera and we'll try it out. Okay, once connected to the camera, it's in kind of a mono mode, which it is right now, and not stereo. So to change that mode, there's a mode switch here, and you press on the, it says long press the mode switch volume down button for 5 seconds to switch modes. The green static light indicates the camera mono mode, and the blue static light is stereo mode. So that's what I need to do. Push that down, 5 seconds. And now we are in stereo mode. Okay, that probably sounds a little bit better because I am using this microphone right now. And actually what the book says here about the light color is exactly the opposite. It says here the green light is camera mono mode, but I'm looking at my feedback here and I'm seeing I do have the green light, but I'm also in stereo. If it goes back to blue, then it goes to mono. So this is actually written backwards. But otherwise, it appears to be working well. I may need to play around with some level settings a little bit. We'll have to try it out a little farther and see. Okay, right here is the dead cat, and I do have this on my shirt here. I just got it kind of clipped on. There's a lot of ambient noise in here. I have a fan running. It's extremely hot. We're in the triple digits here this week, so that's Fahrenheit, by the way. So this is the dead cat. That's what they call these things, little furry things, which take care of extraneous wind noise and eliminate kind of that popping sound when you say certain letters and you're close to the microphone. So I'm going to get this clipped on. So that looks like this when I'm done. And it is directional. You can only put it on one way. So we'll be trying this out here on a few videos. We'll see how well it functions. What I've used in the past is the, like I say, the Synco. It works fine, but I can't have two people on it. It's only for one person. This has two microphones, so it's a plus, and that's what I needed. So there's an overview of this Hollyland Lark M1 wireless microphone. I'm not sponsored. I bought this because, as I mentioned, I needed to be able to have two microphones. So we'll see how long this battery life is. We'll see how well it works. It appears to be picking up the audio real well. I'm watching my audio monitor, and it doesn't appear to be over peaking. Although it is picking up all the ambient noise behind me. And for example, there's a fan running right behind me, so I know it's picking that noise up. I can see it on the monitor. So I'll put a link in the description where I bought this. I bought it on Amazon, and you're more than welcome to look at it. And I'll be doing a further review on this down the line after I've used it for a while. See how well it functions. Got anything out of this? Appreciate getting a thumbs up. Always helps the channel. Roger in the shop. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.